What's up guys, it's Sam here, and today I'm going to be fixing the GTI because it was misfiring and went into limp mode the other day on my first pull of the night. So my boy Z sent me out some new coils. I'm just going to replace the one that's misfiring. It's cylinder 4, and we'll see if that brings the car back into a state where I can drive it up the hill to my own parking lot. So here's what we got. I'm having misfires, erratic idle, a check engine light, and definitely hesitation. There's like 0 acceleration, 0 power with the car right now. I think that's it in limp mode. But yeah, we'll just replace one of the coils, and it's on cylinder 4. So hopefully that'll fix everything and I don't need to clear code or anything. We'll see. So now we have to go through, undo all these clips on the coil packs to take the coil harness off. One, these are really easy to break, but two, you don't want to just pull off one side because it's all one straight piece, and if you pull off one you could break all the clips in the other ones. So I'll do that now, and I'll show you which coil I need to take out and throw in the red top. Now you can see I got the harness off. It's actually pretty clean in there. Obviously that's dirty, but cylinder 4 is where my misfire is, so I need to pull that coil out, and you want to make sure you're applying even pressure on the front and back and pull it straight out. So I'm actually going to use 2 hands for that, and I'll show you when I'm done. Here's the old coil, and I don't know how much you can see in there, but that's where I need to put in the new coil, and I've got those right here. So let me toss one in. So like I was saying, my boy Z sent me out some new coils. I got 2 OEM ones and a red top, and I'm going stage 2 in the next hopefully 5 to 6 months, and I'm gonna need these anyways, so I'm buying them off him, and he just sent me one to put in for now, and then once I go stage 2 I'll swap out the other 3 coils and get all 4 red tops. Moment of truth, let's go start the car and see if we still have that misfire. Cylinder 4 was the one misfiring. Obviously there's a different coil in there now. Let's go ahead. That's more like it. So there is a check engine light. I just need to clear that. And the idle is, it's good now. We're not sounding like shit. So we'll put the hood down, drive her back up the hill, and I'll get some beauty shots. Back up the hill. car back, and I gotta get that check engine light cleared. I'll call my boy Jack and ask if I can use his scanner again. That's how I figured out which cylinder was misfiring, and then yeah, my car will be good as new, and now it's just time to save up for stage 2 and stage 2 clutch and stage 2 parts. So I'll keep you guys updated. I hope this was a good quick little video, and subscribe and give me a like and comment any suggestions. Also follow my car on Instagram at mk6_sam. Thanks guys, have a good day.